Alright, what you see here is not a 2006 Trailblazer SS or a 2020 Dodge Durango, but a 92 TSI known as Patches. It seems like everything that gets parked in this spot at this house is getting ready to be sold or worked on. Trailblazer's gone. This is now in its spot. We finally just got that running. We're going to see what happens, but ultimately, with the SS gone, I needed something to tow, and we picked this up. And of course, I bought it without a trailer hitch. So here's episode 1 coming up. Alright guys, episode 1 for the Durango build on Bureau Fab. Got some parts that just showed up today. Some other parts are showing supposedly later on tonight. But here we go. Nice fancy trailer hitch. Delivered by FedEx. It looks like they bent the bracket a little bit. Whatever. Ordered it from these people online, Mopar Wholesale Parts. Pretty easy to use the website. They use all factory part numbers, which helped shopping around to find what I needed a hell of a lot easier. And yeah, this was pretty cool. So yeah, tell everyone. There you go. Now you get 5% off. Family and friends. Trailer hitch package, factory hitch, with all of the wiring. 7-way connector. Jumper harnesses. Hardware and plastic rivets. Four-way, 7-way plug. Extremely detailed instructions for everything, wiring harness and hitch installation. And a fully loaded trailer hitch ready fuse box. So in the upcoming days, weeks, whatever, hopefully sooner rather than later, as I got to move my trailer around, I will be pulling off this entire back bumper, gaining access to everything underneath, and then swapping things out. And also, just gonna zoom in on that as a teaser of some things that are to come in the next upcoming hours. And yeah, we'll see how this all works out.